Can you make a full-time income taking online surveys? Yes or no? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to answer the question, can you truly honestly make a full-time income doing nothing but taking online paid surveys? And the answer is absolutely not, right? And the only reason I'm doing this video, this might be one of my last survey videos, just because it, it's just, it is what it is when it comes to taking surveys online. But I still see a lot of people ask questions about it, people talking about it, people even still promoting, the idea of making like a full-time income taking surveys, right? Now, I'm going to keep it real. You can make money taking surveys online. That is real. It is legit. Some of these companies out here, they offer, when you sign up to them, you get points, and points can be redeemed for cash, PayPal cash or sometimes real cash. There are some companies out here that will actually pay you actual cash, that you have an account, and once you get a certain amount of money, you can cash out and literally get, money. That's great. Here's the problem. In most cases, it's very little money. So if you're one of them people who watching this video and you're just like, look, bro, I just want to earn like, extra $30, $40 a month. That's it. Then yeah, you can hustle and grind, get a lot of, sign up with a lot of legit paid survey sites, and you can get started. And that's real. It's possible. But I find like most people, even if they say they want to make, only $30, $40, most people, man, you want to make some real money online. Even on the bare minimum, you want to make at least a couple $100 a month, at least, right? When you talk about making money online. Now, in my opinion, if I were somebody who just got into the game, like looking into ways to make money online, because paid surveys is one of the most popular ways to make quick extra cash. So, honestly, what I would do, sign up, with the best survey sites you can find, and start taking surveys on in your spare time. All right. Now, once you do that, I would, stack my money up a little bit, right? Like let your account build up to, $50, $100, or whatever. Take that money from survey sites and invest it in another money making method that can make you more money. That is what I would do. Because sitting there strictly just saying you taking surveys online for cash and that's all you want to do, and you think you're going to make a ton of money, it's not going to happen. Maybe in the future one day, a big survey site might, pop up that's paying, $15 an hour to take surveys online. I don't know. Maybe. If so, email me, let me know, because I'll do it. But yeah, keeping it real, guys. That's my tip on that, because there's so many other ways to make money online, a lot more money online than just paid surveys. Keep in mind, like I said, there are some legit paid survey sites out there, like Paid Viewpoint. All right. I get little referral money from them. Also, paid surveys that you can take on them. You can check with them all the time, and that's a cool little way to earn some extra cash. It's called Paid Viewpoint. Okay, super easy surveys, but you earn like 10 cent, 20 cent per survey. You will get a lot at the beginning, and you will actually add up altogether. Since I was with that company, I made $132. Okay, I'm keeping it real. It's not a lot of money, but that's from taking surveys, and actually you get referral points too. So if you do join Paid Viewpoints, take their surveys, but also share the link. You know what I mean? Share it with your friends on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, whatever you do. Share it, and you can earn from surveys and referrals. So if you think about $132, say I just cash out right now at $132. You know how many little programs I can invest in or courses I can get to make me to teach me to make more money? You could even buy some stocks. You know, you could even buy some cheap stocks for $132, guys. So when it comes to paid surveys, they have their place in the making money online world. And I believe their place is to get some extra cash to put into more profitable ways to make money online. All right. That's my take on that. But if you're trying to make a full-time income, first of all, you wouldn't even want to do that because after a while you'd be burnt out taking surveys all day. Think about it. You get burnt out. All right. But guys, I'll put a couple links in the description if you want to check out Survey Club. That is a free database you can join. You could join a ton of different survey sites if you want to do that. Also, I'll put a link to Paid Viewpoint if you want to get started with that. Both companies super easy. And that's the way you can, like I said, earn some extra cash or PayPal cash. Also, Swag Bucks is another one you can take survey sites. I'll put that link down there as well. And that's how you can get started, guys, making money with paid surveys. But no full time. That's a negative. All right, ain't happening. But there's other ways to make money online. And you can figure all this out by subscribing to my channel. You see I'm bringing that content. You see it. Bringing the real deal content. So subscribe if you're not a subscriber and hit that notification bell because that's how you know I'm dropping a video and you can go watch it. All right. So comment, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.